more aware now.
Because they do the Mates of Care
Absolutely.
thing now, don't they, in Swansea. So my two love going to that, so they do like rock climbing, muddy slot course, like loads of stuff, but they get to be around other children who foster.
Yeah.
So it's sort of like they can talk to them if they've got any worries or the good and the bad.
Yeah.
But yeah,
it's good. And then they see other children who are also fostering. It's not just them, because there's not many children in school that would talk about that or understand what they go through sometimes with the fostering.
But they're proud to be foster, like they always say, like, I'm a foster family and this is my foster brother. They're really proud of it. It's not something they're embarrassed about, or even my teenage son.
And it just makes them just grow so much as people, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
And our two, they love our little boy. Like he's our first placement and he's long term with us now, so he's been with us for 4 years, and they class him like a brother.
Absolutely.
They do, and it's like they argue, but they have fun.
Like
it's just like normal siblings. And I think the hardest thing for them is when the children leave. That's the hardest. Really hard. So we tend to have babies as well, and when they move on.
My 10-year-old, so he's basically been like an only child, because we had to have 3 sons, but they're in their 20s, the eldest two. So we just thought, would that be quite hard for him? But the positives that he's got out of it, sharing his mum and his dad with somebody else,
it's the closeness, isn't it? It's lovely. Like my daughter misses, our foster, she goes away or not that, because they're growing up together. At the end of the day, they're children, aren't they? And they're growing up together and they're building up that relationship, and I think
children
it's lovely.
Adapt so easily, don't they?
So well. Better than us sometimes.
Absolutely. Well, they just have fun. They just want to do things, do their makeup together, or talk about music, or chewing gum and put it somewhere you don't want them to put it. Those sort of things. Teenage girls do.